Today, I'll be showing you how to create and insert a snippet. Let's say you have a piece of text you write often. It could be a phrase, a sentence, a paragraph, or even a special character, like a currency symbol. Most people keep these bits of text saved in a document somewhere and copy-paste them back and forth every time they need them. But here's how you can do it faster with TextBlaze. Click on the TextBlaze extension icon in the top right to visit the dashboard. Click on the big plus button at the top left. This will create a new snippet with a default name and shortcut. You can change these as you please. The shortcut can be any combination of characters, but it's best to keep it short, simple, and memorable. In the snippet window, paste the text you want to use. Now, let's see it in action. Just type in your shortcut and TextBlaze will replace it with your snippet content. And if you forget your shortcut, just click on the TextBlaze extension icon and insert it from there. Your snippets will work anywhere in your Chrome browser. That includes webmail clients such as Gmail and Hotmail, Google Docs and spreadsheets, and even web forms, as long as the TextBlaze extension is installed. There's a lot more that you can do with your snippets, including cool stuff with the date and time, dynamic fields, calculations, and automation. But we'll tell you more about these features in our other videos. The links are in the description. Create your first snippet today.